Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn from just reporting the bugs in your website or applications. How you can able to earn from a good amount of money but just by sitting at home, just wherever you are. Okay, wherever you are in this country, you just need to report the bugs, have some patience, and you can able to earn a good amount. I'll show you step by step how you can able to earn, what are the different ways through which you can earn. Lot of students are asking me this question that sir, please tell me that there are different ways how we can earn, how Facebook is giving those people money, $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 to those who report a bug. Okay, how we report bug to reputed companies like Google, Amazon, Flipkart, Starbucks, PayPal. You can see that Goldman Sachs. There are lots and lots of reputed companies out there. How we can able to report it? So this is where you have to report it, and I'll show you. If you are not from hacking background, don't worry. I'll show you how you can become just free, not even a single penny from your pocket. I just don't want to waste it. Okay, you are come in my channel just to earn money, not to spend money. Okay, just watch till the end and just hit this subscribe button guys, and like this video, and all of these websites links I just provide in the description box. Okay, you do not have to search it manually, just click on this and you can able to visit to this website. So let me just give you an introduction about this. So guys, it's an online platform where each and every company is coming and they are categorizing their bounties. Bounties are what? A small amount that is given to the people, a good amount I should say, to the people who report the bugs. So how can we do these bug bounties? How can we enroll in this? How can we report to them? Through this website we can. Okay, just watch till the end. Okay, so first of all guys, whenever you come in this website, HackerOne it is. Okay, I'll show you two websites, two reputed websites. Okay, first one is HackerOne and another is Bugcrowd. Okay, you just need to do one thing. Just guys, you can see that at the topmost corner, start hacking. Okay, just have patience guys. I'll show you how you can earn, and if you don't know about anything, any hacking, I just gave you free courses through which you can earn. Okay, start earning. So just click on this start hacking. Okay, and just give your username. Okay, just username, your name, username, email ID and password. So I just put it. Okay, quickly I just put it. So I have just put my password, just create an account. Okay, so my account is created. I just need to verify it, so I just quickly sign up to my account. So I just confirm it. You can see that I have a link. Okay, just confirm it and you are good to go. Okay, just type in your email ID. Okay, just sign in. So you can see that, guys, I have not reported any bug right now. Okay, I just created it. So how can we find out how we can earn a good amount from this website? Okay, how to submit a report, how to find out how we can find out where to design a report. Okay, you just come in this activity section. Okay, I just gave you a proof first. Okay guys, I just gave you a proof first how much earning do people are doing in this website. You can see, guys, they are just doing a great job. So guys, this is a activity section. You can find out that there are lots of people who are earning a good amount. You can see that $10,000, okay, $100, $300, okay, $2,000 just from one bug. Okay, and it's actually paying you a good amount, guys. Okay, $5,000, $3,000, $15,000. So this is a section where you can see that and it's a place, guys, where you can learn a lot. Okay, this is a bug that is disclosed 3 days ago, and you can check out there are lots of bugs. It's a reputed company, Zomato, and okay, someone has reported the bug, which is the HTTP request smuggling. Okay, so you can see that what type of bugs. It's the whole process. He is giving the bug reports and all. Don't worry if you don't know anything about this. So I just watch till the end. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, for those who are having just interest in this. Okay, who want to know that why Facebook are giving them such a good amount for just reporting one single bug. Okay, I just tell you these things. Okay, so have patience, guys. Okay, so these are the disclosures. You can see that published, how much published they have do the bug bounties. Okay, what type of bug bounties they are doing. Okay, so I just come into this directory section. Okay, so in this directory you can find out your own way to do bug bounties. Okay, if you want to do bugs in App Store, okay, iOS, for Androids, if you want to do some bug bounties on Play Stores. Okay, there are lots and lots of applications in Play Store, guys. You can take some application, and for that you are recognized, or either they will give you some reputation. So these are certain reputations, guys. Reputation is very important for you in this HackerOne, and if your reputation is high, then HackerOne, you will become a good employee for this HackerOne, and you are given personal bugs to report. Okay, so you can see, guys, bounties that they offer. The average bounty is $2,250. Okay, reputed companies like PlayStation, you can see. Okay, Xiaomi, Facebook, guys, you can see Facebook. Okay, Alibaba, lots and lots, thousands of companies, guys. Even you can see that Google is also paying good, $2,000, $3,000 just for one report. Okay, you can see if I just guys, if I just click on one of these bugs that they want to know. Okay, you can see that they will define you what policies do they give you. Okay, if they are having any kind of bugs. Okay, if they are having any website, so you can go to this website and just click on this submit report. Okay, and whatever policies this company defined for you to report, okay, you can do it on your own. Okay, you can see that there are lots of things which are in scope. You can see out of scope and in scope. So this is a website where you need to find out. In scope means that needs to be done. Okay, only for critical they are paying. Okay, if there are of high bugs, then only they will consider your bugs. So you can check out this thing. Why I need to tell you these things, guys? Because it's very important for those who know these things but they do not know how to apply. Okay, so there are different types of bugs. You can see, guys, for a particular company, if the bug is critical, then $1,000+ they are giving you. low, for low they are not paying you anything. Okay, they just increase your reputation on this platform. Medium, okay, medium $250, for high $750. Okay, just one bug if you are specialist. So how to submit these bugs? So you can just go to these websites. Okay, I just show you a particular thing how you can report it. Okay guys, so this is a website guys. If you find any bugs on this website, on online platforms, okay, SQL injections, lots and lots of things. Okay, so don't worry about its language. Okay, just you need to do some bug reports. Okay, you can earn. And if you find a bug report, then you can see that submit report. Just click on this submit report, and you just need to type what is the attack it is, network, adjacent, local, physical, whether its complexity is low or high. Okay, title of this, all the description you need to give in this. Okay, just a summary, how to do, what is its impact. Okay, you can even upload some documents and all in order to, you know, attach some screenshots as well, what it will actually do. You can post videos also. Okay, so it's a good way to earn money guys. Now I tell you another platform guys. Okay, so before we come into another platform guys, I just tell you what are certain courses that you are offering free of cost. Okay, so Coursera is a good platform guys, where you can learn a good. You just need to type ethical hacking guys. Ethical hacking, I just need to type ethical hacking. So you can see ethical hacking, and under ethical hacking, if you are a beginner guys, you can select your level. Okay, if you are a beginner, okay, if you are a intermediate, you can choose whatever categories. I just choose beginner because I don't know it. Okay, and you can see that, there are lots and lots of courses, and you can you know, join it for free, because you can see that for certification you need to pay guys. Okay, but you can see you can enroll it for free. For certification, I should tell you, if you want certificate guys, then only you need to pay in this website. Okay, otherwise the courses are absolutely free. You just come up in this section and you just need to sign up. Okay, I just show you how you can sign up. Wait a second. Just click join for free. Okay guys, now I just choose next, and you can see guys, when I have clicked next, you can see that you can take a trial, and in the below you can see the audit section. Just click on this audit button. So you can see guys, you can fill these things, and just come up in this week 1, and you can able to get these course absolutely free. Okay, you can see that there are video sections. Okay, you just need to attend it, and you can enhance your skill guys. You can see that there are different kind of courses. Okay, with some reading sections as well, how to begin, how to perform cybersecurity programs, how to do bug bounties, and it's absolutely easy guys. Okay, you don't need to spend much time. It's small courses, you just need to participate in it. Okay, another website I just tell you that it is EDX, through which you can have a look at this website, and it's also a good website where you can learn ethical hacking. Okay, I just type ethical hacking, and you can see that it will display me whole set of courses. I just tell you that guys, I just type hacking. Okay, so you can see that guys, a most important skill it is hacking PostgreSQL. If you are good in SQL injection guys, you are earn more. Okay, just click on it, and you just need to pay for certification, guys. You can see that you can enroll for fees just same as the Coursera has just taught you, okay, and the certificate is paid, but the courses are absolutely free. Okay, 14 weeks course, guys, 3 to 4 hours per week you need to spend. So it's a good way, guys, that you can earn. Okay, so this is the way how you can create it, your bug bounty section. Okay guys, I just taught you whole thing. Another website, I just tell you that it is Bugcrowd. Okay, the website link I just gave it in the description. So this is a Bugcrowd website, okay, where you can, it's similar of HackerOne. Here you can also give the reports of the bugs, okay, and you can even download the reports and see how actually they are doing, okay, how actually they are doing, what tools they are using, and it consists of good companies, okay, Motorola, you can see MasterCard. So it's a good platform where you can do a lot of research and just get started. Just click on this get started, and as a researcher you need to perform. Okay, so you can see that I just need to get started and just fill this form, and you are good to go. And good company, guys, Tesla, Pinterest are also have their investment on this kind of so I just want to tell you guys, this is a good way, good opportunity if you have a good skill set, if you want to make your impact on the society, because guys, internet is a future of our own. And I want to tell you these things, okay, because guys, you need to learn a new skill set. Okay, so internet is where you can be more aware of. So this kind of skill will not only became aware of from frauds that people are doing, but also you can earn from wherever you are. Okay, and it's absolutely, guys, free. It's absolutely free because you do not have to pay. What is the problem with courses? I just gave you a description about the courses where you need to find out. Just go into the description box, and please guys, hit the like button if you really like my efforts. Okay, if you really want to earn more, if you really want to know how to earn money, okay, from internet, various kind of platform, I'll just tell you thousands of ways. Just share this video, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for your support.